Hello folks, and welcome to the second in this series of colour correction tutorials. In the first tutorial we got you familiar with the waveform monitor and how we can use it to judge the tonal range of an image. In this tutorial we're going to look at an image that has got a poor tonal range, in that the blacks are weak and the whites dominate. And we're going to use Adobe Premiere Pro colour correction tools to amend the footage. There are a number of colour correction tools available in the software, and in this tutorial we're going to begin by using the Fast Colour Corrector to correct the image that we can see on screen here. I've already set my workspace to a colour correction layout, and I'm going to begin by going to Effects here and searching for Fast Colour Corrector. You will find it under Video Effects, Colour Correction, here. Drag the effect onto the clip like so, and then make your way back to the Effect Controls panel here to look at the Fast Colour Corrector's settings. We're going to use the input level and output level sliders to do our work. Before we get to work though, let's look at the waveform monitor and see what it's telling us about the image. The first thing to note is that the blacks are way off the line that they should be on. They should be resting near this line here. This means that there's not been enough black inputted to the original recording of the image. If we slide the black triangle on the input level slider here, it will input more black into the image, like so. Keep your eyes on the waveform monitor as I do this, and you'll see that the blacks are working their way towards the line that they should be resting on. You don't want to pull the black elements all the way down, as it will make the image look too dark. All you need to do is ensure that some of the black elements have made their way to the bottom line, which I've done here and here. The waveform monitor is also telling us that too much white has been inputted into the image. We can see this here, in that some of the whites are peaking above the line that they should be resting on. Now we can't use the white input slider here because all that will do is add more white, and we've already got plenty of that. As you can see, if I slide this triangle it adds even more white and pushes it way above the line it should be on. Therefore, we'll use the white triangle on the output slider. This will mean that the amount of white in the image will be lessened on output. If I slide the white output to the left, you can see on the waveform monitor that the white levels are lowering to a more acceptable level. It's even had the unexpected benefit of adding some definition and clarity to the clouds in the sky, whereas previously all we could see was a blanket of white. If we switch the Fast Colour Corrector on and off here, we can see that we've made a significant improvement to the tonal range of the image. Okay folks, that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we'll look at some other options for adjusting the tonal range of your image. Thanks for listening. See you in the next one.